Hi viewers, how are you doing today? I hope you are doing good so far. Today, I will be your speaker of the day. Did you guys feel easy waking up this morning? If so, give yourself a little pat on the shoulder. If you don't, that's fine because today, I will help you manage everything that is going on in your life.
The topic of the day is how to be organized as a student.
Before I begin my speech, I would like to do a mini introduction about myself, and I hope that we all can know each other by the end of this speech. My name is Muhammad Adam bin Nur Anwar. I am 19 years old. I am currently studying at UITM Rembau for a diploma in communication and media study. My hobbies are listening to music on Spotify, as well as watching movies on Netflix. I don't play games, by the way. Last but not least, for my mini intro, I would like to be a part of a production member crew as well as a radio host station in one fine day when I'm growing up.
What will you achieve at the end?
The specific purpose of this speech is I want to inform how to make life as a student easier because being organized in life will lift all the burdens from a student's shoulders. I also will state all the main points that students should do in order for their life to be more manageable as well as excel at controlling all the tasks that comes along the way. Firstly, as a student myself, I always told myself not to procrastinate doing assignment or preparing for the upcoming tests. Why do I do so? It is because if I delay everything at the beginning of the semester, I would suffer at the end because I need to finish everything in a little amount of time, which causes me and the group to get loose marks. As my previous teacher mentioned, lousy work effort will result in lousy marks. According to Edutopia, as cited in Todd Finley, November 15, 2018, this proves my point that what I do is right. If you are doing a group project and no one is doing anything, then you should be the one that needs to move them. At the end of the day, we're all here for a reason, which is to get our diplomas. Without a hard work, I bet you, nothing good will come in your lane. Trust me because I have been in that situation and I know how it turns out before. Besides that, Niemer's Children's Health, as cited by Linus, November 2017, mentioned that students should make a schedule for everything their lecturer told them at the beginning of the semester, such as assignment, assessment, tests, and quizzes. This is because it will be a guideline for themselves where they know exactly when to prepare and finish for any one of them. For example, if a student wrote everything that they have to do on their phone or their smartphone, it will be so much easier to always check the deadline because we, as a young generation, are always on our phone 24/7. By doing this, students will not stress themselves out because sometimes they feel like they don't have enough time to finish everything, which could lead to depression and anxiety. Moreover, as specified by Rhonda a writer from Transition, mentioned that students should keep things that are only important to them later on. Have you ever felt overwhelmed to do something and your environment is the one that causes it to happen, where you feel like the place is disorganized? Yes, a messy environment could make you feel less excited to do something. So, what are we supposed to do is organize the place. For example, if you are studying from your home, make sure your study area is clean and only put books that you regularly use on the table. Some people keep everything on their table, which eventually makes it hard for them to use the table, such as write their essays. Do you have any questions so far? If you do, comment down below. Apart from procrastinating your assignment, making a schedule, and keeping only essential belongings, what I can conclude here is students must train themselves to be more responsible and independent in their life so that they are able to face more consequences as the time goes by. So, what they can do is start training themselves now. As William Shakespeare said, better 3 hours too soon than a minute too late, which magically wrap up my conversation or my speech for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for lending me your time. Goodbye.
Credits to D. Arkis Linus, PhD, November 2017, Organizing Schoolwork and Assignments. Rhonda A., April 9, 2020, How to be More Organized in High School. The Student's Guide Updated. Todd Finley, November 15, 2018, Organizing Student for Learning. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that this video will be beneficial for you and your life.